Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today, I can't believe it. I can't believe I've been making bacon wrong all these years. In the oven, no good. Frying pan, no good. Out on the griddle, no good. This new way that I saw and I tried it is fabulous. And you gotta try it because you've been doing it wrong too. Unless you've been doing it this way, then you've been doing it right. Anyways, the best bacon. Fabulous. We're doing it next, so stick around. All right, this bacon is no joke, let me tell you. So we put 5 slices, thick bacon, into a non-stick skillet that's cold. Then we're going to put in a 1/4 cup of water. Turn the heat on medium high. And that water starts to boil. Then you're going to slowly turn it down to about medium. And you're going to let that bacon cook and cook and cook until the water disappears. Turning it every once in a while, like I'm doing there. But just keep on cooking it until that water starts to disappear. And then once the water's gone, what we're going to do is turn it down another notch to about 1/4 heat. And we'll finish frying the bacon in the non-stick skillet. Turning it every few minutes. Just like that. Make sure you have yourself a splatter guard so you don't make a mess out of your kitchen. But this is just the best bacon I've ever had, I'm telling you. The downside, you can't cook more than a few slices like this. The upside, it cooks pretty quick. The flavor is amazing. The tenderness, the crispiness, it just totally works. You've got to give this a try. Trust me on this one. Look at those pieces. Perfect. Every one of them. Alright, we'll flip these. Put the splatter guard on for another 3 minutes or so. And then we'll come back. We'll flip them one more time. And then it'll be time to take the bacon out of the skillet. Put it on some paper towel on a plate. Let it drain and cool. Give it a taste test, which blew my mind. Anyways, make this bacon. Give it a try. I'm telling you, I believe it will switch the way you make bacon at home. Unless you already do it this way. Alright, hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment if you can. And I appreciate y'all very much. And enjoy this bacon. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.